War pushes the limits of science and imagination. But some military projects went far beyond ordinary weapons, into the realm of the bizarre. Welcome to the Random Fact Factory. Today, we uncover 10 of the strangest military experiments and projects in history. Fact 1. During World War II, the US military tried to use pigeons to guide bombs. The birds were trained to peck at a screen showing a target, steering the bomb as it fell. Fact 2. In the 1960s, the CIA spent millions turning cats into spies. Tiny microphones were implanted in their ears and batteries placed in their chests. The mission? To eavesdrop on Soviet conversations. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. Fact 3. Another US project involved attaching tiny incendiary bombs to bats. The plan was to release thousands of them over Japanese cities, where they would roost in wooden buildings and ignite fires. Fact 4. Nazi scientists proposed building a giant orbital mirror, called the sun gun, that could focus sunlight onto enemy cities, burning them from space. It never left the drawing board, but the idea was chilling. Fact 5. Perhaps the most infamous CIA project, MKUltra tested drugs like LSD on unsuspecting people in an attempt to develop mind control techniques. The experiments were highly unethical and left lasting scars. Fact 6. In the 1990s, US scientists proposed a chemical weapon nicknamed the gay bomb. It was supposed to release pheromones to make enemy soldiers attracted to each other. Unsurprisingly, it was never developed. Fact 7. The US military funded psychic research, trying to use remote viewing to spy on enemy secrets. Soldiers were trained to describe places thousands of miles away using only their minds. The results? Highly questionable. Fact 8. The Soviet Union created an automated doomsday system known as Dead Hand. If nuclear command centers were destroyed, the system would automatically launch missiles, ensuring mutual destruction. Fact 9. To deceive enemies, the Allies created fake inflatable tanks, trucks, and planes during World War II. From the air, they looked real, tricking German forces into miscalculating troop movements. Fact 10. In recent years, DARPA has experimented with turning insects into living drones. Microchips and sensors can be implanted to control their flight, sparking debates about ethics and surveillance. These experiments show that when it comes to warfare, imagination has no limits, and sometimes no boundaries. Which of these bizarre military projects shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at the Random Fact Factory for more unbelievable facts.